You have an issue with your data and internet connection. Maybe this DITO APN, access point name, might solve your problem. These APN settings will work in 4G and 5G since DITO network is using 4G and 5G signals.
First, go phone settings, following step by step. SIM and network settings. Choose your SIM card for setting. Access point name.
Click plus add new APN. Name.
APN.
Username. Password. Authentication type. PAP. APN type. APN protocol. IPv4, IPv6. APN roaming protocol. IPv4, IPv6. Bearer. Now save. APN settings restart phone after check internet speed. If you like video, please subscribe channel next more videos.